Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey guys, it's Taiana Lewin back here again with another video. You already know what it is, a little bit of everything. If you've read the title, then you know what I'm doing today. A quick little install video of this hair that you guys can see on my hair. Quick and easy. Okay, probably not easy because I'm still learning. You guys, it's 30-inch water wave 13 by 4 HD lace wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and let's just get into it. Here it is. So I've actually taken it out of the packet like a few times. Isn't she beautiful, guys? And it's actually plucked as well. It's been plucked. Everyone is always asking me which hair company I use. I use anybody, literally from AliExpress. All I do is read the reviews. Like, you've got to know, you have to know how to read reviews, because if you don't, you're gonna get shagged and they're gonna send you shaggery. And you don't want that. Link in the description box down below. Also comes with 2 wig caps. I love when companies do that. You have my heart. What's so good about them as well is if you leave a 5-star review with them, you do get some money back. I think you get £10 or $10, basically, like £10 back, which is sweet. But they ain't getting a good review unless they're good. We don't do no lies over here. Period.
Child. Anyway, so
today I've decided to do the wig cap method. I don't usually do this in my hair videos. You guys will see this. I've only ever done it once. But when it comes to hair, special hairs I now be wearing for quite some time, I don't mind doing the wig cap method. It's kind of fun, so I'm gonna do it.
child. Anyway, so
I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I don't really know how to do this wig cap method thing, and I don't know if I'm doing it properly. I feel like it's taking too long to dry, and I'm so impatient. I can't wait any longer. I'm sorry, like, I'm gonna have to start cutting. I'm just gonna cut it. I don't know, like, oh, I feel like I shouldn't have put this on it. I see everyone doing that. It's not I'm getting moved. Guys, don't get at me in the comments, because I've just told you that I don't know what I'm doing. It's not cutting. It's not cutting. It can cut. I was cutting my hair. Guys, do you see this? Like, that's not giving what cap. I don't know if that's normal. Like, why am I seeing this? Yeah. Okay, I'm not as mad as I was. I'm still slightly mad. So what I'm going to do is, I heard that you can tweeze with your hands. I'm going to try doing that, and it's always better when you tweeze when it's wet as well. So I'm going to wet it a little bit and then I'll get back to you guys. So I've just plucked it. This is how much hair I've lost so far. I think like when I go back in and I put, install it on my head, and when I brush through it, I think that's when the rest is gonna come out. So you don't really have to worry so much about that. So I've gone ahead and cut off all the lace. Now I'm just giving what lace? Yes, what lace? Guys, welcome to my reality. I'm always burning myself, literally. So don't worry, it's actually kind of normal. I'm always burning myself. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I'm being very lazy right now with this, and I could just go to the bathroom. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in the bathroom. So this is the hair, guys. This is the please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and like this will be head tops. Alright guys.